No, this was a barn find.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Check out these valve covers, guys. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Alright guys, this is the kind of, if you have to be stuck in traffic, this is the traffic you want to be stuck in right here. So, but we got to come over and check out this Barracuda. I love this Barracuda, Hemi Cuda. Look at this thing. This just screams like 1970s to me. Is this one of your gentlemen's car? Can you tell me about your car a little bit?
Sure.
So, what's your first name?
Dennis.
Dennis? Hey Dennis, I'm Sean.
Nice to meet you.
So, I notice it's really understated. So.
Yeah. No, this was a barn find.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
So did you build it? Let's see.
No, this was intended to be a factory race car.
Okay.
And what had happened was in '68, Plymouth and Dodge won everything in stock, super stock, because of the Hemi.
That's when Sox and Martin and everybody was around. Yep.
Anyway, what they did was, for '69, NHRA gave them a weight handicap. So Chrysler just pulled out and said, we're not racing.
Oh, wow.
We're not racing in '69. So they didn't race.
So this was one of the cars that would have been a racer, but they didn't use it because they stopped.
It was intended to be, so I've been told, the New England Chrysler Plymouth race car for '69. But as it turned out, it wound up being one of the first pro stock cars.
Okay.
In '69, actually at tail end of '69, '70. But it was found by a roofer who was re-roofing somebody's house, and so he asked the people, "Any chance I can leave my tools in your garage?"
Right.
And they said, "Sure." There's a car in there, but you know, there's enough room. So we opened it, and the car was in there.
Wow. And what state was this? Was this in Florida?
Connecticut.
Connecticut, okay.
Yep.
And how did it come to being to you?
Believe it or not, I was living in Connecticut, and I found the car right here in New Smyrna Beach.
Really?
Yeah.
So the guy who found it up there
sold it,
brought it down here, and then did you buy it here and move it there and then bring it back?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. That's what I did.
Wow.
But it was in that barn, or in that garage, for so I've been told, 8 years.
Now, is this how it looked like when you got it, or is this how did you get it to this?
Oh no, I rebuilt the whole car.
Okay, so the whole car has been rebuilt, and it's got a 426 Hemi in it.
Yep. Race Hemi.
Now, is it a factory? Like, is it a one that would have been around that year, or is it a newer block?
It's a newer block.
Okay.
I still have the original pro stock block.
Okay. But you probably just didn't want to blow that up or anything, so you
It's been blown up a few times.
Oh, it had been blown up.
And it's got a lot of windows in it.
And it's 4-speed or 727?
It was a 4-speed.
Okay.
It had the pedals, but we converted it to an automatic.
Okay. Well, it's certainly intimidating looking. Did you do the paint and everything?
I painted it.
You paint, like you said, wow.
Yeah.
Because that's, like I said, it's a little bit undertone. I don't know if you really get anybody looking at it. The colors, that thing glows in the dark, don't it?
Yeah. It's got eyeballs.
Have you ever taken it down a quarter or an eighth mile? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that what you kind of build it
found this by accident. I was down here visiting.
Yeah.
Somebody said, hey, I know a guy that's got some cars for sale.
Now is it all, is the hood obviously is plastic or fiberglass? Is anything else fiberglass, like is fenders or anything, or is it metal pretty much other than the hood?
I've been told that the car was acid washed.
Okay.
It was dipped in acid.
Well, you know what, they used to do that with Sox and Martin too. They used to do it to get it so thin.
Yeah.
And that was one of the ways to get a couple.
I mean the deck lid on this is just.
Okay.
I think the only thing that's holding it together is the paint.
But it's technically metal except for the hood right now?
Yeah. Okay. The only thing that I really did is, when these cars came out of the factory in '68,
right,
there were bodies in white.
Right.
But they had 14-inch tires. Well, Sox and Martin and Landy and all those guys, they cut the wheel wells.
Right.
Took the lip out, and that's how they raced.
Right.
Because they put 15-inch tires on, 15-inch slick. So when I got it, it had 15-inch tire, 15-inch slicks. The wheel wells were all cut, and so I just put new quarters on. I cut it and stretched it 5.5 inches on both sides.
So you just basically did what would have been done anyway, just
basically, yeah. Except I maintained the lip.
Okay. Now those Kragers, the deep dish like that, are they the modern ones or are they the old? Okay.
Yeah.
To say, because
no,
the real deep ones like that from the 70s and 80s are really rare.
Really rare, yeah. When I got these tires, I only use these for show. Okay. These wheels just strictly for show. I have the old spun aluminums.
Right, right.
And that's what I still keep them.
Like old center lines or something like that.
Center lines, yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Hey, how you
Video in the conversation?
Yes, we were.
Cool.
Yeah.
He's just one of my best friends.
Oh yeah, we're Junkyards and Barn Finds on YouTube.
Oh, sweet.
It's a beautiful car, sir.
That's his car.
I know, I heard you talking about his Kragers. I was wondering about his Tiger Paw tires.
Well, appreciate it. Thank you for talking to me.
And I still have the original Pro Stock hood.
Okay, the original. Now I would say, hey, let's see the hood, but I'll bet you this is like, because there's no hinges on this thing, right? It just lifts up. No. Yeah, so that's why we're not going to look at the engine, guys, because if not, you'd have to put those 4 poles on it or whatever to keep it off.
No, I just set it on.
Or you? Oh, okay, you just set it down. So, but. Check out these valve covers, guys. I love your valve covers.
I wake up to that every day. Man, what a fool you are spending that kind of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
But
it's...
I'll tell you what.
It's a squeeze getting that Hemi in there.
Oh, I'll bet. But I'll tell you what, that's the you come down here, look at all these cars. There's basically going to be what, 1,000 cars, and there's very few that stand out. Oh
really? Yeah.
And this one, like, I saw this like a mile away, so had to come down and look.
Cool.
Well, thanks a lot, man.
All right, buddy.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
I'll check you out.
All right. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.